Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kavya, and for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what all things you need to pack if you're coming as an international student here in Australia. First and the most important thing is clothes, and I would recommend you guys to get as many jeans as you can because jeans are expensive here in Australia, and also the size and the length of jeans is totally different to what you guys can expect back in India. Whenever I travel to India, I always make sure that I get jeans from there. I would also recommend you guys getting jackets because winters in Australia can be harsh. However, you can buy clothing items from Kmart, Cotton On, and many other supermarkets here. All these brands, Kmart, Target, Cotton On, are really affordable, so you do not have to worry about spending a lot of money on clothes here. Next items that you should bring along with you are quilts. So make sure that you get one for the winters and one for the summers because I find the quilts over here a bit expensive and not that good quality. I wouldn't suggest to bringing any kitchen items because you will be able to find everything over here. There are heaps of Indian stores and you can also find Indian groceries in Woolworths and Coles. Australia also has really harsh biodiversity rules. So if you're bringing food items, then you might get fined. At all costs, do not bring nuts. Yes, do not bring those dry fruits, almonds, or any of those pista kajus that you like to eat. You will be able to find them here, and the prices are just same as you get back in India. So please don't get that because if you bring those items, then you will definitely get fined. So whenever you're traveling to Australia, you will always get a travel card wherein you have to declare all the items that you're bringing along with you. So just to avoid the hassle, do not bring these restricted items because everything is available here and the prices are not that bad. If you are planning to buy a new phone, then I would suggest that you can just come here and buy your phone because you'll also be able to cover the warranty for that product, and then it's just easier and it's cheaper here as compared to India. If you're getting a laptop, you can also buy a laptop here. If you're going to be buying a MacBook, then Apple has a lot of discounts running for students. Bring a pair of comfortable shoes because you will be walking a lot here. So having those comfortable pair of shoes will really help you out. Don't worry about your bedding and your furniture because you can easily find that on the Facebook Marketplace. So I got my bed and mattress from the Facebook Marketplace initially when I came to Australia. You can also bring a portable charger with you because chargers are a bit expensive here. And if you've got one spare back in India, then you can definitely bring it along with you. Please also bring those convertible adapters if you're going to bring your Indian appliances because the socket over here is different to than what it is in India. It's really important to note that if you're bringing medications to Australia, then make sure that you have a prescription for them. Medicines here in Australia are a bit expensive. Like cough syrup over here is for $20. I think that was pretty much it. Just want to let you guys know that you get absolutely everything here in Australia. There are heaps of Indian grocery stores here, and you'll be able to find everything that you are able to find back in India. I wish you all the best, happy packing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.